Let's kick off the trading session. I'll both be trading and simultaneously posting signals on my Telegram channel. So an interesting situation has already formed on the chart. It's the Australian dollar and USD currency pair. We can potentially go short here if one condition is met. Hey there, I'm Mary and I serve as your dedicated trader. Today I've got an exceptionally interesting video lined up, just as always. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new content. Over on my Telegram channel, I regularly provide precise trading signals and together we can generate profits. You'll locate the link to my Telegram channel in the description. Today I'll be conducting a full trading session, much like I typically do when collaborating with you through Telegram. Enjoy your viewing experience. Let's kick off the trading session. This will be a full session, just as I usually do. I'll both be trading and simultaneously posting signals on my Telegram channel. Now that I've explained everything, let's get started with trading. So an interesting situation has already formed on the chart. It's the Australian dollar and USD currency pair. We can potentially go short here if one condition is met. While we wait for that, let's open a trade on the trading platform and prepare everything for the trade right away. Now let's send the Australian dollar and USD currency pair to the channel so that subscribers can start preparing for the trade. We'll be going short for 3 minutes, selecting these parameters. I think I'll go with $200 this time. Yes, I'll go with 200 this time. Opening the trade and immediately sending it to my Telegram, both in the open and closed groups. Now, let's analyze the chart and understand why we went short here. The first thing we notice is the downtrend. As soon as the price approaches the resistance zone, it immediately bounces down from it. Furthermore, at the bottom, we have a resistance zone that was previously a support zone. The price broke through it with a strong impulse and has now returned for a retest, immediately bouncing off it. Clearly, it's time to go short and expect the decline to continue. There are 2 minutes left, so until the end of the trade, let's just wait it out. There we go. The trade closes in the green with a profit of a few pips. Of course, the trade could have been more confident, but nonetheless, I made a profit, $162. We'll publish this immediately in the open channel and then in the VIP channel. Alright, it's all published, so we can continue trading and help our subscribers earn. In the open channel, I only published the first trade, and from now on, I'll be working exclusively with subscribers from the VIP channel, so we can close the open channel. I'll try to find 3 more profitable setups now. By the way, the Australian dollar and US dollar currency pair still looks attractive. I want to enter again, but this time for 5 minutes. But first we'll message the subscribers to prepare for Australian dollar and USD. Now I'll go for 5 minutes to let the situation develop, especially since the Australian and US dollar exchange rate continues to fall after a slight rebound. I think it's alright to enter a trade right from this level, opening a $200 trade for 5 minutes on the short side and immediately posting a message about the open trade in the VIP channel, then switching to other charts. Where else can we find a profitable trade? Alright, I got a bit sidetracked while looking at Great British Pound and Canadian dollar. It's an interesting situation, but we need to wait for further development. So for now, I'll keep an eye on this currency pair and return to it later. Now there is another intriguing situation on the US dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair, and I like this one much more than British Pound and Canadian dollar. Here we have a very strong resistance zone that has held since yesterday. Let's message that we're preparing the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair. And in turn, let's open it on the trading platform. Now we open a short trade for 3 minutes. We'll immediately prepare a message that we'll be opening a trade. This will be a simple 3-minute short trade for $200. I think we can open the trade from this level, so I'm opening it and immediately posting a message that we've opened the short trade. Now let's take a look at other charts. Well, I must say there aren't too many interesting setups in the market right now, so I'll need to put in some effort to find them. However, I did come across something intriguing on the British pound and USD currency pair. We might be able to enter a trade here soon. Let's prepare for that and provide a trading signal to my VIP group right away. Here we'll be going long. By the way, this is the kind of situation where I'd like to check the RSI indicator. This is to understand whether the chart is in the oversold zone and if we should expect a price rebound from the support level. Alright, with RSI it looks good. The price is approaching the support zone and RSI is nearing oversold territory. I think 3 minutes should suffice for this trade, and here we should get a good reaction from the support level. Later on, a full trend reversal might occur. We'll see how it goes, but for now, let's head to the trading platform. We will open a long trade for 3 minutes. I believe it's okay to enter from this level. So we open the trade and immediately publish it in the private Telegram group, stating that we've entered a 3-minute long trade. Now let's wait. There is 1 more minute left until the USD and Canadian dollar trade expires. We also need to wait for 2 more minutes for the Australian and US dollar trade and a full 3 minutes for the current British pound and USD trade. Let's wait and see the final results. The US and Canadian dollar trade isn't going as planned, so we'll close it and reverse. We'll open a long trade with twice the amount and immediately notify the private group about it. Now we'll wait for the other trades. Alright, all the trades closed in profit, and the last offset trade also closed with a decent profit. Despite the fact that we incurred an unpleasant loss of $200 on US and Canadian dollar, we managed to immediately offset it by entering a $400 long trade. In this way, we earned $340, of which $200 covered the loss and remaining $140 added to the deposit. A typical offset trade, nothing more to say. Let's publish this in the private channel right away. Well, in the end, my subscribers today got 4 profitable trades and 1 losing trade, which we promptly offset. That's how our trading sessions usually go. I instantly send my trades to subscribers, and all they have to do is follow the messages on the channel and enter trades based on my signals. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for your attention. Thanks for hitting that like button on this episode, right? Thank you for writing a comment and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it because it means I'm doing all of this for a reason. I really want to build a community of traders here, a community of like-minded people who live and breathe trading. It's a whole separate world. Just a reminder, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description to this video. That's where we can start working together. Let's do this. Thank you.